Hello guys again, my name is Andrew of course, and today we have a new unboxing. This is the Parkside Pneumatic Ratchet set, model PDRS 6.3 A1. Included inside we have 7 impact sockets, we have 1 extension bar, we have 1 bit holder, 1 universal joint and 1 20 ml bottle of special pneumatic oil, 1 plug connector with seal. This is a max torque 61 Newman, 160 RPM, 6.3 bars. Included accessories. And let's see what we have inside. Okay. Plastic seal case. Let's open it. We have some manual inside if you want to read it. The oil and all the accessories inside, as I said. Definitely I will try this with the Parkside compressor that I already unboxed it, and you will see it right in the right of this video. Here it is. It feels very durable, very heavy. I think it's a good manufacturer. Here, connect the air pressor. Screw this here very tight, and then you can fit all the included accessories. Sorry, oh, this is for the small bits. Well, definitely I will try it, and we will see how it works, if it's good or not. I will try it in my car to take off my tires to see how it goes. Well, thank you again for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my videos, your choice. Share this video because you never know who may need it. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I said. Yes. Thank you again. Have a nice day. Bye bye.